Firstly, you need to make sure in edit employees for that particular operator the correct start date's been entered in. Number of rosters to be 1. Roster start cycle, because you're having one, we don't need to enter a date here, but if you have more than one, very important. Moving over to edit hours, select the operator, and then on the normal button, if you click on that, it'll move over to the editing of rosters. The start date of the employee will be brought through with week roster 1, and you only have 1 year because that's what we've entered in. Roster available from, it is important to enter this date. If you don't enter it, it's available at all times. So if you enter a date in here, it'll bring a date of that specific beginning of the week. Roster available to, if you don't enter a date here, it's available from now and whenever in the future. Then we can go ahead now and bring through or enter in specific times where this operator is going to be on, and this is every week this operator will be working these times. After you've entered it in, click on save, and that roster is now entered in for this operator. And if you go back to normal, you'll notice that roster times now come in, and if you change the date, it'll show you the roster times that are come through now. As you can see, there are other hours entered in for this operator on this week, which is normal hours. Now if that's not correct, to actually eliminate this one and bring the rosters through, go to edit, recall roster, and it just tells you that normal hours will be overwritten. Go yes, and it will bring those normal hours, take them away, delete them, and bring the rosters through. Okay, and then if you go and check the next weeks, and that's just to make sure and that no other normal hours has been entered, just to eliminate that problem. And that is a problem if someone has entered normal hours previously and is now using the roster facility.